So, guys, firstly, I welcome you all, guys. So, before we get started, let me introduce myself. Myself, Uday Gadiparthi. I have overall 13 plus years experience in IT. Total 6 plus years experience in training, guys. 6 plus years experience in training. So, guys, I hold a lot of certifications in service now. I hold CSA certification, COD certification, CAS, ITSM, CAS, CSM, CAS, APM, CAS, Portfolio Management, PPM, CAS, Discovery. I also hold CAS, Event Management as well. So these are the certifications that I hold in ServiceNow, guys. Okay. So ServiceNow certifications are actually those are like badges. Those are actually like badges in ServiceNow journey. So these are the certifications that I have in ServiceNow application, guys. Okay. Well, coming to my work experience, coming to my IT experience, I started my career at HCL Technologies as a fresher. Later, I have got chance to work for Cognizant. Then after that, I have got chance to work for Hexaware. Now, currently, I'm actually working for Microland company. So Microland is actually my current company, which is actually based out of Bangalore location. So here it has clients across the globe. Microland company has clients across the globe. So it is actually my client is actually agreeing for work from home. Currently, I'm actually working from home. In case if company has asked me to come to office, I'll have to visit the office in hybrid mode. So this is actually about my work experience, guys. Currently, I'm actually working for a Microland company as a subject matter expert. Okay. Well, guys, remember, I like reading blogs. I like, you know, uh, reading ServiceNow related books. ServiceNow related books. I also write the books, guys. I have a habit of writing the books as well. So you can find my book called Be the Force. You can find it on the Amazon as well. So I'm the author of Be the Force. So I like writing the books as well. I like workouts as well. I regularly go to workout. Okay. So these are actually this is actually about quick introduction about myself, guys. Okay. Well, let us get back to the course, guys. Let us get back to the course. Firstly, we will understand what is ServiceNow. First, we will understand what is ServiceNow. And after understanding what is ServiceNow, we will understand what exactly we will learn in this particular course. Okay, what exactly we will learn in this particular course. Okay. Firstly, let me explain about ServiceNow. What is ServiceNow? ServiceNow is actually a cloud platform. Cloud platform means anything that can be accessed using internet is called cloud platform, guys. You can see here, ServiceNow platform, you are actually accessing using internet. You don't need to install any software on your laptop, guys. You don't need to install any software on your laptop. You just need a proper working laptop or desktop with a proper internet connection. You can access ServiceNow platform. It is actually cloud application. It can be accessed using internet. Okay. So it's actually cloud-based application. It is actually cloud-based application. Well, why do companies use this ServiceNow platform, guys? ServiceNow platform is used to automate the business process in the organization. Guys, remember, it is a process automation tool. So remember this point, ServiceNow is a process automation tool. So most of the people know that ServiceNow as a ticketing tool, guys. Most of the people know that ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. But in fact, it is not only a ticketing tool, it is a process automation tool. It is so whenever somebody has asked what is ServiceNow means, you can answer blindly that it is a process automation tool. Okay. So it's a process automation tool. So what kind of process we can automate it using ServiceNow and all, we will understand it now, guys. Okay. What kind of process we can automate it and all, we will now understand. Guys, remember, well, in the organization, in the organization, when your laptop is not working, when your laptop is not working, or if any of the application is not working, how do you contact them, guys? How do you contact them? You will actually write an email, or you will actually make a phone call, or you will actually write a mobile message. So you will actually write an email, or you will make a phone call, or you will directly contact them, right? So if you do so, do you think that information is tracked properly? Do you think that information is tracked properly, guys? Let us say I am the employee in the organization. I am actually using multiple applications. I am using multiple applications. If any one of the application is not working, I have to contact respective team. How do I contact? I'll make a phone call, or I will write an email, or I'll actually write a text message, or I will actually directly contact. So if I do so, do you think that information is tracked properly? So can we track mobile call information properly, guys? Everyone? So can we track mobile call information properly? No. Can we track email information properly? No. Can we directly contact them and can we track that information properly? No. So by writing text message, can we track the information properly? No. Guys, remember, we can use ServiceNow platform and track the information properly. Track the information properly. So I will quickly show you. I will quickly show you. Let us say in ServiceNow, okay, let us say I am the employee in the Deloitte company. So in the Deloitte company, I am using multiple applications. I am using multiple applications. So one of the application is not working for me. So what I do, immediately I'll go to ServiceNow. So I don't make a phone call, or I don't text them. I don't write an email, or I don't directly go them. Directly I'll go to ServiceNow. I will just create a ticket here. I will just create a ticket. Okay. So here I will write my information properly here. Okay. I will write my information properly here. So let us say here the person who is facing issue, Uday Gadiparthi. Uday Gadiparthi name is not there here. Let us say, so this name I'm taking here. So what kind of category it belongs to, what kind of service it belongs to. So what is the configuration item? Let us say AWS application is not working. So I will assign it to AWS team. I will assign it to AWS team. I will write my issue here. Okay. AWS application is not working. So here I will write long description here. So what I do with all this proper information, I will actually create a ticket in ServiceNow. So this ticket will go to AWS team, guys. This ticket will go to AWS team. Someone from the AWS team will actually own this ticket on their name. Someone will actually own this ticket on their name, and they will start working on it. You can see it is in progress. So after they completed this, they can actually close this particular incident. They can close this incident. Okay. Solution provided, the solution. So these team members, these AWS team members will provide the solution. They will close this ticket. Even after 10 years also, you can see this information, guys. If it is mobile call, if it is mobile text message, or if it is email, or if you directly contacted, do you think this information can be tracked any other place? So can we track this information properly? Guys, answer me, guys. Can we track all of this information? No. So here in ServiceNow, we can track the proper information. So when you have the proper information, we can check, we can create reports, we can create dashboards saying like, okay, in the AWS application, how many issues are coming? How many issues are coming? So, who has worked on how many AWS issues? Something like that. You see, when you have the data, you can play with the data, guys. So in service now, you are gathering the data, proper data. So with that data, we can generate the reports, we can create the dashboards, we can take the actions. We can take the actions. Okay. So guys, remember, if there is no service now you tell me, can we gather this information properly? Can we gather this information properly? Now you tell me. Okay. So even after 10 years also, we can see this information, guys. Now what exactly I'm doing here is that I am going to the incident list. Okay. So today, how many incidents are created? I want to take a report. So this one is actually created today only, right? This incident is created today. Just apply the filter and read it. So this one is actually created today. You can see the ticket number. When was it opened? 4 minutes ago. What is the which application issue it is? AWS is not working. Short description, caller, priority, state closed. You can see all of this information. You can see all of this information. What time it was resolved? Who resolved it? Solution provided. Resolution code. You can see all of this information we have gathered here, right? Okay, if I want to download it, I can also download it, guys. Okay, I gathered the information. If I want to download this particular report, I can also download this particular report as well, guys. Okay, just simply right click, just go to export PDF, just export. Now you can see all of the information that you have here. You are storing it in a PDF form. You are downloading it in a PDF format. You can see here. Got my point, right? So guys, here this incident, this farm design and all, we have to do it in ServiceNow as a ServiceNow developer. This farm design, we have to do it as a ServiceNow developer, guys. So that as a ServiceNow developer, if you design this farm, employees can use this form to contact respective team members. Let us say here Uday Gadiparthi use this incident form to contact AWS team. Uday Gadiparthi can use this incident form to contact Power BI team. Uday Gadiparthi can use this form to contact Azure team. Uday Gadiparthi can use this form to contact Tableau team. So guys, here we as a ServiceNow developer, we have to design this form. We have to give this form access to every employee in the organization. Every employee use this form and every employee use this form to contact the respective teams, guys. Okay. So guys, remember, ServiceNow is a process automation tool. It is not only a ticketing tool, guys. Remember this point. Okay. So let us say, let me give you a few more examples so that you will be able to understand even more in detail. You joined in the organization. You joined in the organization. You want a laptop. You want a laptop. And after So you will request a laptop through ServiceNow. After you request a laptop through ServiceNow, approval will go to manager. Once manager has approved it, then only laptop will be provided to you. Okay. So let us say here in ServiceNow, you will go to ServiceNow. Okay. You will just go to ServiceNow. You will create a laptop request from ServiceNow itself. So whenever you request the laptop, the approval will go to manager. Manager will actually approve that. Okay. Request laptop. Yes, you will click on request laptop. So you will provide the information here. Okay. You will provide the information here. And you will submit the laptop. As soon as you submit the laptop request, it will go to approval. It will go to manager's approval. Upon manager's approval, you can see request is created. So it will go to manager's approval. Once manager has actually approved, the laptop will be delivered to the requester, guys. The laptop will be delivered to the requester. So this process can also be automated using ServiceNow. This process also can also be used. This process can also be automated using ServiceNow application. Guys, you name it. We can automate any process within ServiceNow, guys. We can automate it. We can automate any process within ServiceNow. Okay, that's fine. And also, let me give you the third example. Okay, in the organization, let us say we have actually 1 lakh employees. Okay. If you take a look at TCS has around 6 lakhs employees in the organization. So is it possible to track, is it possible to maintain, is it possible for us, is it possible for a CEO to check every employee is coming to office at what time, every employee is leaving the office at what time? So he cannot particularly monitor every employee, right? He want to automate that process. The CEO want to automate that process in ServiceNow application. Okay. So what CEO has said is that every time an employee has come to the office, they have to punch in. Every time an employee left the office, immediately they have to punch out. So they want to automate that process so that every employee is coming to office at what time, every employee is leaving the office at what time. So every employee is actually staying in the office per week. How much time in the office per week? Every employee is staying in the office. Every employee is staying in the office. How much hours per month, per year? So the management can track it easily when they automated the process. That process can also be automated using ServiceNow. Okay, employee is coming to office at what time? Employee is leaving the office at what time every day. So if you track that information every day, we can track it. So how much time he is spending in the office per week? How much time he is spending in the office per month? How much time he is spending in the office per quarter? So we can actually get that information, right, when we automate that process. So that kind of process also can be automated using ServiceNow application. So let me give you the fourth example. Let us say TCS organization. In the TCS organization, the recruitment will be happening the recruitment will be happening always, right? So there is a the recruitment process, right? So first, what they does, they will actually find our resumes in the Naukri portal. Then they will send it to technical team for shortlisting and all. After our resume is shortlisted, they will conduct first round of interview. Once first round of interview is cleared, there will be a second round of discussion. Then once second round of discussion is completed, there will be HR discussion. Then finally, offer letter will be released. This is the recruitment process, guys. This process also can be automated in ServiceNow application. Okay, so end of the day, what I wanted to inform you is that ServiceNow is a process automation tool. Okay, it is not only a ticketing tool. So let us ask ChatGPT, guys, what is it telling? Hmm? will will make AI is actually our part of our life. Is ServiceNow ticketing tool? So you can see here beyond ticketing. Beyond ticketing means, see, it is telling it is ticketing tool. Still, it is telling it is beyond ticketing tool. ServiceNow is evolved into full enterprise workflow automation platform. You can see here, ServiceNow evolved into full enterprise workflow automation platform, not just IT across entire organization. So guys, end of the day, what I wanted to convey here is that ServiceNow is not only a ticketing tool, it is an automation tool, guys. It is a automation tool. Okay. So is that clear, guys? Everyone, what is ServiceNow and all? Guys, please ping in the chat if you are able to understand. Then that's great response, guys. I'm glad. I'm very happy that everybody is able to understand. Okay. I'm glad that everybody is able to understand. Okay. Tremendous response, guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for understanding it in detail. Now we will understand what exactly are we going to learn in ServiceNow application. What exactly are we going to learn in ServiceNow application? So guys, ServiceNow comes with a ServiceNow administration, ServiceNow development, ServiceNow ITSM, ServiceNow ITSM, ServiceNow ITBM, ServiceNow GRC, HRSD, ITAM, etc. There are actually around 45 applications are there. Okay. Total 45 applications are there. Okay. Okay. Well, guys, remember, let me make it more clear for you guys. This ServiceNow admin and development is common for ITS. This ServiceNow admin and development is common for ITBM. This ServiceNow admin and development is common for GRC. This ServiceNow admin and development is common for HRSD. This ServiceNow admin and development is common for ITAM. This ServiceNow admin and development is common for rest of 45 applications, guys. So end of the day, what we need to understand here is that ServiceNow administration and development both are actually very important for every application in ServiceNow. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear, guys? ServiceNow admin and development is ServiceNow admin and development knowledge is must for every application within ServiceNow. Even if it is ITSM or ITBM or GRC or HRSD or CSM, any other application, ServiceNow admin and development knowledge is must. Okay. This is actually first point. So in ServiceNow, these many are there, guys. Okay. First point. So what exactly are we going to cover? Okay. What exactly are we going to cover? So here we are going to cover We are going to cover, okay, these things, guys. ServiceNow admin plus development, ServiceNow admin plus development plus ITSM, ServiceNow admin development plus HRSD plus integrations will be covered as part of this training, guys. For your information, for your information, these HRSD recorded sessions will be given, guys. These HRSD recorded sessions materials will be given to you at the end of the course. At the end of the course. Even integrations also will be given as a recorded sessions at the end of the course. Okay. So here, what are all the things that we are going to cover as part of this training? Now you tell me, guys, what are all the things that, what are all the concepts that we are going to cover as part of this training? ServiceNow admin, ServiceNow development, ITSM, HRSD, integrations. ServiceNow admin, let me make it more clear, guys. ServiceNow admin, ServiceNow development, ServiceNow ITSM, HRSD, integrations. So these are the concepts that we are going to cover as part of this training, guys. Is it clear for everyone? Okay. So now you understand what exactly are we going to learn in coming sessions and all. Okay. So guys, remember, actual sessions will be started from tomorrow only. Tomorrow. The timing will be at 6 p.m. IST. The timing will be at 6 p.m. IST. So I will be the trainer. Uday Gadparthi will be the trainer for throughout this particular course. Okay. So the course will be 60 hours, guys. The course will be 60 hours course. It will be from Monday to Friday. Mostly it will be Monday to Friday. Sometimes I will be taking extra sessions on Saturday, which I will inform you upfront, guys. It will be Monday to Friday. Okay. Got my point, right? It is from Monday to Friday. Daily 1 hour session. 1 hour session. 45 minutes is the productive session. Plus 15 minutes is actually the question and answer session, guys. Daily 1 hour session. 45 minutes will be the 45 minutes will be the productive session and 15 minutes will be the question and answer session. Okay. So tomorrow onwards at 6 p.m. IST, I will be the training. 6 hours, 60 hours will be the training duration, and it will be from Monday to Friday mostly. And sometimes I might have to take the sessions on Saturdays as well. It will be 1 hour session daily. Okay. It will be 1 hour session daily. That is actually 45 minutes session, and 15 minutes is for question and answers. Okay. So guys, let us divide these 60 hours into. So let us divide these 60 hours into our course curriculum, guys. Okay. These 60 hours. In these 60 hours, remember this point, guys. First 8 sessions will be on ITSM. First 8 sessions will be on ITSM. Next 7 sessions will be on JavaScript. We use JavaScript, guys, that I am going to cover as part of this training. So it is actually basic JavaScripting, guys. No, sir, I don't know about JavaScript. Can I learn this course? Means you, even if you don't know, I am going to teach in this particular course, guys. Next 7 hours will be basic JavaScripting course. I am going to teach you that basic JavaScripting course, guys. Next, um, next 15 hours will be client side scripting. Client side scripting. Next 15 hours will be server side scripting. Next 15 hours will be for catalog items. So guys, here these comes under ServiceNow admin and development, guys. These comes under ServiceNow admin. These three comes under ServiceNow admin and development. Okay. So we are actually dividing these 60 hours into these parts, guys. First 80 hours will be ITSM, then basic JavaScripting, then client-side scripting, then server-side scripting, then catalog items. So that is how the course is actually designed, guys. Is it clear for everyone so far? Mm, okay, that is fine. Okay. So now we will move ahead and discuss. We'll move ahead and discuss about some more things, guys. Okay. So as part of this particular training, daily recorded sessions will be provided. First point. Second point, there will be a WhatsApp group, guys. So that WhatsApp group will be created after 3 days. Okay. So in that WhatsApp group, everybody will be there in that WhatsApp group. Even if you have any doubts, you can just ping in the group. There will be a support person who will actually reach out to you and who will actually reach out to you and provide a solution to your particular issues, guys. So when you are practicing any doubt, you can just ping in that WhatsApp group, and then there is one support guy who will actually contact you and he will support you online. Okay, we'll have a WhatsApp group in coming days. Whenever you get any doubt, you can just ping in that group. There is a support guy who will actually contact you and sort out your issue. Okay. Third point, course material will be provided. So you soft copy will be provided, guys. You can get it from the admin. Okay, after your enrollment. So daily tasks will be given. Daily tasks will be given, guys. Okay. And interview questions will be given at the end of the training. Okay, not in the middle of the training, at the end of the training. So I will help you in resume building. So if you want to take any certifications, if you want to clear any certification, you can also, I will also help you in providing the dumps, certification dumps. Okay. Certification dumps also will provide you. WhatsApp group, course material, daily tasks. So guys, remember, every scenario that I explain here in this particular training will be real time only. Whatever I did in my project, same thing will be explained here. What are all the challenges? So real time scenarios, challenges will be explained here. Project will be explained here. Project will be explained here. Hmm. Daily recorded sessions, course material, daily tasks, interview questions, resume building. Okay. So interview tips and tricks also will be given, guys. Interview tips and tricks also will be given. Okay. So here one real-time project will be explained, Vishnu. One real-time project will be explained. Course material. Okay. So these are all the things that you are going to get as part of this particular training, guys. So when it comes to the ServiceNow certifications, I forgot to mention ServiceNow certifications, guys. Okay? So when it comes to the ServiceNow certifications also follow this one only, guys. Okay. ServiceNow certifications also follow this one only. So we have, okay, ServiceNow certifications will follow this one. For ServiceNow admin certification, we have CSA, Certified System Administrator. Okay, we have CAD and CIS, ITSM, and we have CAS, HRSD. We have CAS, ITBM. So for every application, for every application, okay, for every application, there are actually certifications, guys. Remember. So CSA is actually the common certification in ServiceNow. CSA is actually for ServiceNow administrators, Certified System Administrator, Certified Application Developer. That is actually for ServiceNow development, and CAS ITSM. So with this particular training, after completing this training, you will be able to crack these three certifications, guys. You will be able to crack these three certifications. So guys, this for how to do these certifications and all, I will actually tell you in coming sessions. Okay, in coming sessions, I will tell you how to do the ServiceNow certifications and all. So ServiceNow certifications, you have to do it in the ServiceNow Now Learning portal. I will show you. You can just go to the learning.servicenow.com. If you can go to this particular portal, right? learning.servicenow.com. Okay. So in this particular portal, you have to complete the course. After completing the course, you are eligible to take the certification exam, guys. That process and all, I'll tell you in coming sessions. Okay. That is fine. So coming to the salaries and packages in ServiceNow, guys. So recently, with 3 years experience, he has got 13 LPA, guys. He has got 13 LPA. So the packages are really good in ServiceNow platform. ServiceNow has opportunities across the globe, guys. It has opportunities across the globe. So I think most of you guys have this doubt that will AI impact ServiceNow? Guys, remember, ServiceNow has introduced a concept called agentic AI. With that, ServiceNow is going to create a lot more jobs in ServiceNow. Okay. So you have to embrace the AI, guys. You should not be afraid of AI. You should embrace the AI. Remember this point. Never ever be afraid of AI. Embrace the AI. So that, in coming days, in coming years, ServiceNow agentic AI will have a lot more opportunities in ServiceNow itself using this AI. Okay, it is not going to impact your job. It will actually, if you can learn AI, if you can learn this agentic AI concept in ServiceNow, then you can just, you can just good packages and good opportunities within ServiceNow itself. You don't have to worry about AI impact in ServiceNow, guys. Okay, and here it is actually a low code platform. You don't have to worry about it. ServiceNow is actually a low code platform. Even with that low code, ServiceNow has actually now assist feature. Okay. So now assist can write that small logics as well. Even you don't have to write that logic, small logics also. So ServiceNow, okay, it's actually a ServiceNow generative AI. Okay. What it does is that it will automatically, it can also write the code as well. It will also write the scripting as well, guys. So like you, when you give the command here, right, it is automatically giving the text here, right? Similarly, when you write something here, automatically you will get some information here. That is actually generative AI. So when it comes to the AI, guys, let me give you some overview about AI. So AI is actually three types, guys. AI is actually three types. One is actually generative AI, another one is AI agent, third one is agentic AI. So generative AI, AI agent, and agentic AI. So far, guys, only in service now, generative AI is there, AI agent is there. In service now, generative AI is there, and AI assist is there. So agentic AI is still in progress, guys. That is coming in service now in coming releases. In coming releases, service now is actually introducing agentic AI. I'll show you difference between generative AI agent, agentic AI. So agentic AI is still in progress in service now, guys. They will actually introduce agentic AI in coming days. Okay. You can see generative AI refers to AI models that create new content, text, images, code, videos, or audio. So you can see here ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, Copilot. So Gemini is actually from Google. Copilot is actually from Microsoft. Okay. So ChatGPT, you all know, right? It is actually a OpenAI. You can see here the creator, generative AI, the creator. You can see generative AI, the creator, and the AI assist, the doer. AI assist, the doer. Agentic AI, the thinker plus doer. You can see here the difference between generative AI, AI agent, and agentic AI. So generate agentic AI, the thinker plus doer, guys. Agentic AI is more powerful. That is still in progress in service now, guys. Once it is introduced, so it can create lots of jobs instead of removing the jobs, guys. Remember. So after you become professional in service now platform, if you can learn agentic AI, then your life will be safe, and you can actually become a pro in service now platform, guys. Okay. Um, You can see here the talented writer who can write on command, a disciplined employee who execute tasks on role, a proactive manager who identifies problems, plans solutions, and improves process. You can see now service now version. Now assist a generative AI phase. Okay. And now assist plus AI actions, AI agent phase. Next evolution 2026 plus agentic AI phase. Okay. That is fine. Mm, Packages are really good in ServiceNow platform, guys. Opportunities are really good in ServiceNow platform. So you have opportunities across the globe. I have students recently who got placed in the US, guys. Okay. So there is a guy called Manoj who got placed in US recently, and I've got student from Chicago, Sudhakar. His name is Sudhakar. He has got a job in US recently, guys. Okay, there are opportunities across the globe on ServiceNow platform. You take Middle East, you take North America, Canada, you take Europe, you take Australia. So it has n number of opportunities. ServiceNow has n number of opportunities across the globe. Okay. Well, opportunities. Okay. Opportunities we have discussed. Packages also really good. So guys, with the 10 years experience, you can get up to 45 LPA, 50 LPA also, guys. Okay. You don't have to worry about it. Mm. See, let us assume, guys, most of you guys some of you guys might have these doubts that, Uday, I am completely from non-IT background. Will I be able to learn ServiceNow platform? So, guys, remember this point. Doesn't matter even if you are from non-IT, Because always remember talent matters here. Not only on ServiceNow platform, everywhere talent matters. Even if you are from non-IT background or non-technical background, if you are able to complete the work, then they will actually retain you. Even if you are from computer science background, you are not able to complete the task, means they will not allow you to sit there. They will actually immediately give you the pink slip and ask you to leave the place. So here, end of the day, talent matters, guys. Doesn't matter if you are from non-IT background, doesn't matter if you are from mechanical background, which background are you from, doesn't matter. Your talent matters. So that is what you are going to gain here. Okay. And let us say if you have total 6 years experience, out of them you can show 4 years experience into ServiceNow platform, you will be able to crack it. So here in this particular training, you are going to get 6 years experienced candidate knowledge, guys. You are going to get 6 years experience candidate knowledge. Let us say you have 4 years experience. You kept 4 years experience on ServiceNow platform, and you are giving the interview, means you will be able to 100%. You will be able to crack 100%, and you will be able to get the job. So let us say if you are keeping your resume with 6 years experience, you will be able to get the job. Okay. So let us say if you are keeping 10 years experience, out of them just keep 5 years experience into ServiceNow, you will be able to crack the job. So that is that much knowledge you are going to gain as part of this training, guys. Okay. So, and if you have any timings issues, first of all, if you have any timings issues, please reach out admin 630 4422 358 number. Okay. So if you have any timings issues, you can contact admin. And also if you have any documents related queries, let us say if you have any experience related queries, you can just contact admin. Okay. Getting my point, right? If you have any doubts regarding timing, if you have any doubts regarding course fees, if you have any doubts regarding documents, you can reach out admin on this particular number, guys. Okay. So in coming days, as I told you already, we will have a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, I will be present. So I will be answering all of your questions, as well as there will be a support guy who will actually contact you and provide you the support always. Okay. Getting my point, right? So guys, you don't have to have any knowledge, guys. Here, whatever the knowledge that is required, I'm going to give in this particular training. That is why you are actually here. So here, whatever the knowledge, even if you are a layman, even if you are from, let us say you completed the graduation and you would like to, you would like to get started your journey right now, you can still start. Doesn't matter. Even if you are from non-IT background, doesn't matter. End of the day, guys, remember, talent matters everywhere. Doesn't matter. Even if you are from non-technical background, non-IT background, whichever the background, end of the day, talent matters. Okay. Mm, s- Let me just recall, guys, if I can cover anything. Let me just recall. Okay. So I have just conveyed whatever I would like to convey. Now it is your time, guys. Before I hand over to you, before I hand over to you, just just a note, guys. If I unmute everyone at a time, everybody starts asking the questions at a time, guys. Okay. Then what I recommend you is that I would request you to raise your hand. I would request you to raise your hand so that I will unmute you. You can start asking your questions. Okay. Getting my point, right? If I allow you to, if I directly unmute you guys, everybody start asking the questions at a time. To avoid that, what I'm doing here is that I'm going to unmute one by one so that you can ask your questions. Okay. Hmm. Raghavan, I have unmuted you. Raghavan, I have unmuted you.
Yes, sir. Yes, very that. Will we able to learn anything like application development in ServiceNow completely? Like, will we get complete? If you are telling theory means, will be implementing in the real time or not? Like you'll like explaining us the theory, and after that we'll be you will be explaining the thing to implement in practical or not, sir? And will we be able?
This is not about theory. Everything is practical. I will show you how to do it practically. I will also give you the daily tasks as well. This is not a
Okay.
theoretical
Sir,
training.
will we be able to learn app development in ServiceNow, like application development in ServiceNow?
Yes, you will be able to learn app development in ServiceNow.
Sir, will you will be teaching all the things in Zurich, like the latest version of
Yes,
ServiceNow, or
latest version only we will
all?
be discussing.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Babu,
Hi, this is Surendra. Okay. Are you able to hear me, Uday?
I can hear you clearly.
Actually, as you have mentioned, ServiceNow admin and development. So once we have joined in the company, how
Hmm.
what kind of development that company is expecting? First, my first question. And moreover, you have mentioned in the ServiceNow ITBM, GRC, HRSD, ITAM. So is it covered as part of the structure for your, your daily course, or it's completely different apart from this what we have mentioned in the notepad?
So ServiceNow admin plus development plus ITSM are actually covered as part of this training, these live sessions, and HRSD and integrations will be provided as a recorded sessions at the end of the course.
Okay, so ITBM, GRC, what
ITBM
does it?
GRC, once you master ServiceNow administration and development and ITSM, you will be able to learn it in within 10 days or 15 days. That you
Okay,
can play by
so
yourself.
how
Self-learning
much
is
the
fine.
yeah self-learning is required. So thank you for your support. And what kind of expectation that organization is expecting? Like if you are comfortable with ITSM, HRDC, is it fine or is it compulsory to learn ITBM, GRST that companies are expecting?
See, it's a very good question actually. First of all, guys, companies will must check these administration and development skills first of all.
Okay,
ServiceNow administration and development skills, they will check mandatorily, first of all. Then they will ask one by one, do you have experience in ITSM? Do you have experience in HRSD? Do you have experience in integrations? Do you have experience in ITBM? So likewise, let us say if you tell, so you have strong skills in these two areas, and you told that you have experience in ITSM as well, means they will add some marks to you in that interview. And if you tell them that you have experience on HRSD as well, you can demand the much salary. If you tell them that you have integration experience, they will actually fight for you. Okay, if you tell them that you have ITBM experience as well, so likewise guys, your demand will be increased if you tell them that you have one by one experience. These two are must mandatory things.
sure. Okay, Uday. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, next
Yeah, thank you, Uday. Yeah.
somebody has told next me. Okay, Bangaraya. Bangaraya.
Yeah, hi, Uday.
Yeah, hi.
Like you told that we have 7 hours of basic JavaScript and 15 hours of scripting for client and server side, right? But
Mm-hmm.
I'm not having any knowledge on scripting or coding. I have zero knowledge in scripting or coding. So you
See,
said 15
these
hours
seven
and
hours
15.
are included for you guys only. Okay, these 7 hours, right, guys? Remember, you can do inquiry anywhere. No trainer teaches this basic JavaScripting, guys. Remember, here in this course, in this course, to understand this course better, this basic knowledge is required that I am going to cover as part of this training. Okay. Even if you are from, even if you don't have, any knowledge on IT, this will give you the good information, whatever is required for you. You understand my point, right? Hello, Mangaraya. You can unmute yourself. You can answer me.
Uh,
You got my point? Hello.
yes, Uday.
So don't worry about it. You are going to learn it here, okay?
And do you provide job support once we get any job?
Yes, we will also provide you work support as well, Bangaraya. Don't worry about it. So recently, one girl got placed in Hexagon Technologies, and I have actually arranged work support. See, I have students working for multiple clients across the globe. Okay,
Okay.
so you don't have to worry about work support as well.
And one more thing, in ServiceNow, there are different types of modules, right? But like you are saying only admin and development.
No, I did not tell you that I am covering only admin and development. Here we are going to cover ServiceNow admin, ServiceNow development, and ITSM module. ITSM is a module, you can say. HRSD we are actually covering.
Okay. Operations management, something other application
Yeah.
management is also there, right?
So ITOM is there. Even if it is required, ITOM, I do have ITOM recorded sessions as well. I can provide you that. You can do it self-learning as well.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Thanks so much.
Yeah. Zamir, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, hi there, sir.
Yeah, hi Zamir.
Actually, currently I'm working and I'm holding only 2 years of experience in technical support. So, is that okay for this role?
How much experience you have?
Only 2 years of experience.
That is fine.
Fine now. And what is the package can expect for these 2 years of experience?
So you can expect till 10 LPA.
So for 2 years only.
Yeah, for 2.5 years. You told 2.5, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, you can expect up to 10 LPA.
And actually, the thing is, 3 days back, someone said me for 2 years experience there are no calls in the market. Someone said like that. Is that true?
So see here, companies like Deloitte, KPMG, EY,
Hmm.
PwC, companies
Hmm.
like Advanced Solutions, Serviceberry Technologies,
Hmm.
and so recently one guy got placed called Mushir. Mushir got placed recently.
Hmm.
And there is one more guy who got placed in Noida. His name I'm not able to recall it. 2 years experience only they have got it. Okay.
Okay, got it, got it.
So see, first of all, guys, remember when you are ready with the bags, and sit at the station, the train will come. If you don't carry your bags, if you don't sit at the station, do you think the train will come? Even if the train come, can you get on? Got my point, right? See here, there are actually opportunities. There are opportunities. What you need to do is you should learn the skill and wait, and then immediately, as soon as the opportunity has come, you have to get in immediately. Got my point, right? Vishnu, I can unmute you. I have unmuted you.
Yeah, hi there. I have one doubt. In the sourcing training, you can build that custom application, right?
Which one, Vishnu?
Like custom applications means we can create own.
Yes, we can also create our own application in ServiceNow like ITSM, ITBM, GRC, HRSD. These are all the ServiceNow provided applications. If you want to create any new application, you can also create a new application. That is called custom application.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you are going to learn how to create a custom application in ServiceNow.
And it's provide the projects also, right?
Yes.
It means
Yes.
related to the topics, all cover the topics within one project will be there. Is there?
In fact, Vishnu, I can hear you barely. Not actually, not actually. Um, not able to hear you clearly.
Okay, and one, what I'm saying,
Hmm.
and all topics is there now service now. It will be covered in one project. Is there app? Is there any course in course? We will develop the one project.
Yes, yes, it is there.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, guys, I am going to unmute everyone so that everybody can ask the questions one by one, guys. Okay.
Hi, Uday.
Hmm.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, Lenovo, your good name, please.
Yeah. Actually, after development, we'll deploy to production or testing. Who will do testing
So
after?
there will be a separate testing team for ServiceNow application, guys. We don't have to do it. We as a ServiceNow developer will do unit testing, and testing will be done by testing team. There will be a dedicated testing team who will do the testing in the test environment.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, I heard developers also will do testing. That's why I asked.
Yeah, developers does unit testing, and end-to-end testing will be done by testers.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Uday, which methodology to working on service model? Like Ajay Scrum or Ajay?
ServiceNow we use agile development, agile methodology.
Hello. Uday, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So the topics which you have covered, like I'm okay with this. I'm just having one doubt. So, like I'm having experience in non-IT field for 3 years. So just now, like you told, like you will be helping me with the resume preparation also. So, like whatever the
Yes.
companies I have worked, so you are going to prepare the same thing in my resume, or like you will be adding some companies related to that thing.
So which company you are currently working?
Currently, I'm working in Nectar Solutions.
What is the designation that you have?
I am having executive.
Yeah, that is fine. You can use your current experience and you can tell them that you have experience in ServiceNow platform. And you can tell them that through your company, you worked for a US client or Europe client or Australian client. And you can
Yeah, this
showcase
is
your
fine. But I'm having another doubt. Like for Nectar, it is fine. But I have worked in 2, 3 companies also. Like Absolute IT, it was completely into finance. Like the designation is also like a finance executive type. So I cannot change that. So I think it will be problem in my PF. So I just wanted to clarify that how will you do these things?
Can you come down to the office, or can you separately talk to me so that we can discuss it separately in detail? And
Done. Fine. So yeah, fine. Okay, fine.
Hi, Uday.
Uday, this is Arvind. Just want to ask you a few questions related to this. So it is going to be a classroom training, right? I mean, a person training.
Yes.
Since you said you're working from home, you will be taking classes in from Hyderabad.
Yes. So in Hyderabad, we do have training institute. I will be teaching you from institute itself. If you want to come for offline class, you can come for offline class as well.
Okay, maybe. Yeah, that's fine. I'm actually a Java developer. Just want to cross-skilled.
Hmm.
I have near about 7+ years of experience. So just
Hmm.
want to cross-skilled. So I thought to
Hmm.
go with the ServiceNow since I heard ServiceNow is a good technology to learn and which is useful for all the well-versed organizations. So how
Yes.
about my career growth with if I choose the ServiceNow?
See, being a Java developer, it is very easy to learn ServiceNow. And I've seen many .NET developers, Java developers who felt ServiceNow is a piece of cake, and then they were able to easily get the jobs. Okay.
Mhm. Okay, I
Um,
believe this ITSM is having a couple of modules or any the
see,
change management, incident management, problem. All these
see,
are separate modules, or it includes in ITSM.
if you consider ServiceNow as an application. Let us assume if you
Mhm.
consider ServiceNow as an application, ITSM, HRSD, ITBM, GRC, HRSD comes under modules. Okay.
Okay.
If you consider ITSM is an application, earlier you
Mhm.
consider ServiceNow as an application. Now you
Mhm.
are considering ServiceNow as an application. If you consider ITSM as an application, incident, problem, change, knowledge, catalogs, these all are modules.
Got it.
See,
Got it. So,
modules are nothing but categories only.
oh,
Hi,
so
Uday.
for tomorrow, since you said you will be starting the course,
Yes.
so how, I mean, should your admin will contact us, or we need to
Yeah,
contact
admin will
that
contact you.
number?
Hi, Uday.
Admin will contact you.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Hi, Uday.
Now I can understand you here. Yeah, you can go ahead now.
Yeah, actually, how agentic AI will increase jobs in ServiceNow in coming days?
See, guys, here every service now is targeting even medium scale organizations. They want to provide agents to medium scale organizations as well to increase their business. So ServiceNow is actually for large companies like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini. So there are actually almost ServiceNow has actually around 10,000 clients across the globe. So now it is ServiceNow is targeting mid-level companies, medium level companies. Which is having 5,000 employee strength, 2,000, 3,000 employee strength. So that ServiceNow want to provide agentic AI to those companies as well to increase their business. That is how they are going to increase their business.
Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Uday, I have one doubt. Recently, one of my got the job for 1 year experience as a service now developer. In the organization level, what expectation will be on 1 year experience in service now developer?
See, with
What
one
how,
year
uh,
with 1 year's experience, they will give you small tasks and they will ask you to complete those tasks, and they will be guiding you. Okay, you don't get a lot of work with 1 year's experience. Okay, they will treat them as a fresher with 1 year experience.
okay, I have one doubt also. In the learning part, their requirements will be come for the whatever the ITSM or SFA team will be given the requirement. It will be in the requirement. Their futures will be at the developer team. In the future will be given logic, how to approach the logic for the particular requirement for the first approach.
That you are going to learn in coming sessions, Vishnu. Okay.
Yeah,
Hi,
I have
Uday.
one doubt also. As a developer, you don't know about any issue for that issue about regarding anything. You don't know anything for the issue. You can sort out the issue for immediately. As a developer, how to come the approach? It means first you need how to solve that issue. You don't know
Yeah,
anything.
see, Vishnu, that you are going to learn in coming sessions, Vishnu.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Sir.
Uday, as you have mentioned, whatever the teaching that you are going to mention in the notepad, like completely real time for every session,
Yes,
and
yes.
also you are going to explain one real time project. So, okay, how many days that you are going to take that to explain the real time project scenario wise? Because once we enter in the organization, we should not feel the challenges like
See,
that. So, how you are going to support
the
once we enter
moment
in?
the moment when we covered ITSM applications, okay, here you can see the moment when we covered ITSM applications and basic JavaScripting. From here itself, from here onwards, we will be learning the project only.
Okay.
Getting my point,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So whatever the teaching, like client side scripting, server side, and the same thing. Once we,
Yeah.
because my core concept is once we enter in the organization, okay, with your support, like the
Hmm.
challenges. Are you going to support any offline support or thing? Because some few parameters we may understand, we may not understand, because
Hmm.
it should not be the same from what we have understand from the classroom teaching and what we are facing in the real time scenario. So are you going to support any offline support once we enter into the organization?
Yes. See, let us say we have students across the, globe, and I have students working for multiple clients. I can also arrange work support within the organization itself. I can also provide work support from our team as well. You don't
Okay.
have to worry about it, Babu. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
I would. This is online training or classroom training?
I didn't understand.
No, this is classroom training or online training.
Yeah, we have both classroom training and we have both online training. Both at a time will happen. You can, if you want to come for offline classes, you can come for offline classes as well.
So both will happen simultaneously.
Yes, yes.
So batch will be starting tomorrow itself or any other
Yeah,
specific day?
tomorrow itself.
So how many demo classes do we have?
So demo classes will be tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Till Monday, it is actually demo classes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uday sir.
Yeah, hi Suresh.
Hi sir. Sir, actually, I have an experience in completely accounting background. So, now actually, I'm supporting to US company. So there, what happens basically, I used to use that ServiceNow ticketing tool. That timings will be 6 to after till 3 o'clock, sir. Is there any timing things?
I'm not the right person to answer this one. You can contact admin regarding this. Okay, timing issues.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll contact. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, in this training, like when can we start applying for the jobs? Like when
Once we covered server side scripting part, then you are ready to upload your resume.
Okay.
Okay. So that means after 45-hour sessions completed, then you can start uploading your resume. Guys, are all your doubts are getting cleared?
Sir, I heard that there is we can have ServiceNow is the remote jobs as well. Is it true?
Yes, it does has remote jobs as well. So mostly it will be in the UK hours and US hours. Most of the US clients and UK clients are actually giving remote job opportunities.
So do we have ServiceNow support jobs as well?
Yes, it does have ServiceNow support jobs as well. Support jobs comes under admin role.
Okay. So what is the minimum experience for that kind of job? Minimum experience for that kind of job?
See, with 2 years or 1.5 years experience also, you are getting calls for administrators. So with the minimum 1.5 years or 2 years with the experience also, you will get the calls.
So do we have specifically for ServiceNow admin jobs?
Yeah, it does have.
Okay.
Uday, one last question I have.
Uday, one more small question. Once we complete the course like ServiceNow or admin, what kind of role that you are playing in your current organization means mainly what we have to tell I mean mainly for getting a job ServiceNow admin only we have to put I know ServiceNow admin and ServiceNow development completely. I know what kind of
So you
designation
should
that you
see to get n number of calls, you should keep it in your resume that you have experience on ServiceNow admin and development both. Okay.
Okay. So I have done
Then
ServiceNow admin and development both. Okay.
yes, you have to tell them that you have experience on ServiceNow admin and development, and in the interview, they will ask the questions about ServiceNow administration and development, and they will hire you with a ServiceNow knowledge. And after hiring, if they have ServiceNow admin position open, they will ask you to work in admin position. If they have ServiceNow developer position open, they will ask you to work in developer position.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, Uday, one last question.
Yeah.
So you said a couple of demos is going to be happen next couple of 2 or 3 days.
Yes.
So you will be covering any specific topics apart from this demo, or how it goes?
No, it will be regular training, but these are actually for free sessions.
Okay.
This is a regular training. From tomorrow onwards, regularly it will go.
Oh,
So
yeah.
from tomorrow you'll be starting ITSM, you mean to say, right?
So it all starts with ServiceNow account creation, user administration, and user interface, then ITSM. Without creating ID, without creating account, how can we understand ITS account creation? So there are some other things which we are supposed to discuss, right?
Got it. Because I'm sorry, I may be asking too many questions. So is that fine with the 60 minutes
That's
of in
fine.
a session every day? Will
Yeah,
it be
that's
fine?
fine.
Because it seems everyone is they all are working. So maybe if we can reduce that 60 hours to 45 hours and like a stretch with of 1 hour 30 minutes per daily.
Uh, well, see, I'll try to cover the topics in short time. Okay.
No, this is my personal request, but I don't know how others
Because
will keep on the.
here my point is I have to cover all the topics at any cost. That is for sure. Usually I'll take I have almost completed 120 batches. So in every batch I will actually do the same thing. Okay, but I will cover every topic, but in a structured way. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, hi sir. Is it any possibility on CMDB?
So CMDB, that is actually part of ITOM, and so if you want, I can also provide those record. I can provide those recorded sessions as well. Okay.
So you will provide us the course material, right?
Yes, yes.
Soft copy.
Yes, yes.
So each topic wise you'll be giving us the material, or at the end of the session, at the end of the course only you'll be providing the material.
So first I will provide the material, and whenever I cover the topic, you can go through the material and you can just practice. Any other questions, guys? Everyone? Hmm?
No, Uday. Yeah, we clear.
What about rest of the guys?
Sir, if you want to speak to you personally, is it possible?
Yeah, you can contact me. You can come down to the institute and you can talk to me.
Uday, when will be available if we want to meet you personally? Like, is there any?
You can come between 10 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. so that you can meet me.
Okay, fine.
So not on phone, Uday?
You can directly contact me. You can also contact me through phone as well. But I am directly available comparatively on phone. Yes, daily recorded sessions will be provided through the Google Drive, guys.
Uday, most of the questions we cannot ask you in this session. So I want to talk to you personally. So how can I approach you?
Where are you based out of?
I'm in Kadapa. Right now, I'm not in Hyderabad. I am in my
Okay.
hometown
So
actually.
you can take my number from admin and you can call me. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
You just
Yeah,
give me a WhatsApp ping before call. Okay. So that I can
yeah.
understand that you are the one who called.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you, Uday. Yeah,
Yeah. You can take my number from admin. Okay.
sure, Uday.
Shivani, even you can also take my number from admin. Okay. Are your doubts are getting cleared, guys?
So like for the client side, scripting for client side and server side, do we need to have any prerequisite knowledge? No.
What are all the prerequisites that are required that I'm covering here, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Are all your questions answered, guys?
Yeah, Uday, I want to talk personally. Can I take your number? To
Yeah,
that?
you can take my number from admin. Admin will give you, okay?
Yeah,
You can contact me tomorrow, okay? So
yeah,
guys,
sure, sure.
for your information, before you call me, I'll be getting lots of calls, guys. Remember, I'll be getting lots of calls. Before you, before you call me, just ping me that, okay, um, I'm actually from this particular session and all, so that I can remember and then I can just answer your questions.
Yeah, sure, Uday. Okay, thank you.
So personally, if you want to meet, you will be available in the institute itself every day.
Yes, yes. Morning 10 a.m. to evening 6 p.m.
Okay.
All questions are answered, guys. Everyone? Mm.